So hello there, welcome to another Feature Friday. So now that calibration is just part of Manage, part of Application Suite 9, actually it showed up in version 8. So now that calibration is just part of the product, how about we take advantage of using it? So I'm going to assume that you already have a data sheet built and it's already related to an asset. And I've got a work order where I'm going to show you how that looks in the Technician mobile application. So we're just going to jump right into it. So as you can tell, I am on the operational dashboard of Manage 9. And there's other ways of doing what I'm going to show you, but I thought you'd be interested in seeing an operational dashboard in operation. So I'm going to choose my view that I built here, and I'm just going to go ahead and launch the Technician role-based application or the mobile application. Of course, I'm just launching it in a browser. I could just as easily have this application running on a mobile device. So I have my calibration work order here. It's the very first one. And I'm going to simply come over here to the right-hand side and open up this work order. And once it's open, then I'm just going to scroll down and I will see the calibration details section. Now this assumes that there is a data sheet available, that it's related to the asset on the work order. The work order is also in an approved status. And if those things are all true, then I will see the calibration details on the work order. Over here on the right-hand side, I can see that I have a single data sheet. I could have multiples, but I have a single data sheet to fill in. Click that icon, and we begin. So the as found and as left sections here, these are the end results. So they're obviously not filled in at the moment. So for the particular data sheet, over here on the right-hand side, I will open that up. And I see the activities I need to perform. So I need to check the pressure transmitter and the pressure sensor. I need to indicate what I did when I found them, and then as they are left. So my next step, I would just start here, open this up, and I have 3 different calibration points, 1, 2, and then roll down 3. And then for each one, I will indicate what I put into the device while I'm calibrating it, and then what the output is. So, for example, I'm going to put in 10 psi. That's what I'm putting into the device, and I'm expecting 10.0, but I'm measuring 10.1. And you can see that once I start entering values, then the save button will appear, and at any point in time I can save what I've done so far and come back to it at another time. If I need to, I can open up the tolerances section for each calibration point to see what the tolerances I'm expecting to allow. Go ahead and close that back up. I'm just going to save the first 2 that I've done here. And then I just arrow back to where I started from. Obviously the sheet's not done yet, so my results are not complete yet. I just work my way back to the work order, and that's it so far. And so there you have it, filling out a calibration data sheet in the role-based or mobile technician application. Pretty straightforward, just what you'd expect, and hopefully that was useful. So thanks a lot. See you next week.